Kieran, Kieran. Me and Thor just took a bad thing. I need you to get Bruce Banner and Falcon to stop him. Lego said 76104. Please help me. Oh no. Everyone, so we have to stop everyone. So today we have Lego Marvel Superheroes. So this says for ages 7 to 14, and me, it's set number 76104, the hulkbuster Smash Up. So of course, this set comes with 4 minifigures. We get Bruce Banner, Falcon, Proxima Midnight, and then Outrider. So here's the back of the box. Right here we have one of the different scenes. It looks pretty cool. Hey, get me out of here! Okay. I need to save Thor and Rocket Raccoon! Ah! So here we have the instructions. So this is basically a little build of the hulkbuster from the movie. However, haven't seen the movie. A lot of this stuff is pretty much speculative, and so bear with me. So, let's get into it. So, here's the set fully built now. Right here, we have one of these sets. So, who's your favorite character? We have Bruce Banner, Falcon, Proxima Midnight, or an Outrider. However, but before we start with these guys, we're going to take a look at the minifigs. So first up we have Proxima Midnight. So here's a look at her. She has a gold arm. She has her white torso but with a gold arm. She has, however, she has her blue hair. Okay, so she has 2 faces. An original face and who is angry. So, like, she has a grin on him and that's super scary. However, so she's holding her staff, which has a lightning. No, not a lightning. It has a lightsaber hilt attached to it. That's nice. So that is Proxima Midnight. Next up, we have Bruce Banner, who's Dr. Banner. So he has his black coat and his black pants. He comes with his gray undershirts underneath right here. Has a cool hair piece. So. He has it's changeable, however. Let me take off his hair. So he has 2 faces. There's a regular and one where he's mad. Arrgh! So that thing is like oh, that's pretty nice. Cool looking minifig, however. Cool. And that is Dr. Banner. Next up we have Outrider, another little great minifig. Again, great value. So, has gold ribs, it looks like. Has a gold mouth with a red eye. That's kind of creepy. So, he has a backpack with 4 arms at the back. So, you can move them around. So, this guy has 6 arms total. 2 on the regular minifigure bodies and 4 on his backpack. So, that is Outrider. Last but not least, we have Falcon, aka Sam Wilson. So he has a gray top with, he has his buildable wings. Looks pretty cool. He has one of, like, some kind of looks like a beak of a bird. You can move his wings, I gotta say. That's good. So, has his red glasses. You have Finn's hairpiece. It's changeable again. There's a regular and one where he has no glasses. So there's one with his glasses on. So it has red shades on it. Pretty cool. Oh, sorry guys, I'm just trying to find his hair. It's so hard when I'm holding camera. Okay, So that is, of course, Sam Wilson, also known as Falcon. Okay, so I gotta say that was all the minifigures. Now, let's take a look at the hulkbuster. Whoops. Looks like it's out of control. Wait. Who the heck is driving that thing? What? Wait, what? Emmett? Where's Tony Stark? He had some things to do, so I took over for him. Well, okay. Well, the box actually had Bruce Banner inside. Well, thanks Emmett for jumping on in. So, right here, like, you can, at the back of him, we have this energy tank to turn and move one of the arms. But if you wish to not do that, you can take off a piece. And now the arm is solid, just like the other one. Let me put it back. Give me a second, guys. There's so many features on the buster. The ball joint, elbows on ball joints, thumbs and fingers. This guy actually has forearms. However, hips, ankles, and toes. Pretty fun little build. Back in 2018, I actually missed a round of the second hulkbuster, however. Then what did I do? Meh. Now this is a really nice thing. That is amazing. Oh, I got it now. I actually got turned up with the Five Nights at Freddy's, and I forgot to see Infinity War. Okay, once again, looking inside. There's a nice pilot area for Emmett, Bruce Banner, or Tony, or whoever you want to put inside. That's good. So now that was the hulkbuster. Now let's take a look at the tower cannon. So here is it. So if you squeeze the sides a bit, a bowling ball will shoot out. So there are two included in case you lose one. So here's the thing. So this is it shoots pretty easily. So be careful with your eyes. So if you want to, you should take your hulkbuster and smash the cannon a little bit too. So inside the cannon we have an orange Infinity Stone! Ooh! Okay, so let's put that inside for safety keeping. So that was my go on the hulkbuster set. It was, again, great value. Like, this could be my favorite set of all time. Like, I also included 2 golden rings, for one being inside the hulkbuster, by the way. That is a pretty fun build. Right? Oh! Banner! Falcon! Dr. Banner! Glad I saw you in Thor Ragnarok. And I saw you, Thor, in Captain America Civil War. No, I didn't see you in Civil War, but I saw you in Infinity War. Cool. Brilliant. I'll bring Stormbreaker. Ding! Okay. That's good. Nice. Pretty cool too. Oh no! Where did Falcon go? Hey, where did Groot go? Oh no! Oh no! We're in the end game, everybody! End game! Oh no! Lego Marvel Superheroes, the hulkbuster smash-up set arrive on store shelves March 2018, and the hulkbuster runs over $30. If you're looking for an exciting Avengers Infinity War, this is a construction set for you. Too many things to highlight, and a lot of cool minifigures are included with this construction set. Just prepare to wear goggles while Outrider or Proxima Midnight is shooting that tower cannon. The bowling ball hurts the eyes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, everybody. It was said raccoons were out of old body, tree busters out, and will smash infinity stones throughout the land. Thanks for watching Fabrice Canavera's channel. Please like, share, subscribe. I am Groot. Okay, guys, I'm Kieran. Make sure, leave a comment down below if you want to see me. Which set do you want me to build next? Where is Groot?